Remember when your phone was flooded with headlines about Roe v. Wade last year? Like this one. Or this. Those stories introduced you to two cases that could end abortion access as we know it. But then the breaking news alerts moved on. So what happened? Where do these cases stand? And what do they mean for the future of choice in the US? My name is Sarah. I work for the States Project. And if you're worried about abortion access, this is what you need to know. Last September, Texas state lawmakers passed a law that allowed private citizens to sue anyone who aids and abets an abortion after 6 weeks. What does that look like in the real world? This policy places a bounty on anyone who helps a pregnant person access an abortion after that 6-week window. That means nurses, doctors, even Uber drivers who drop a pregnant person off at a healthcare clinic could be taken to court by anyone who suspects an abortion took place. And that 6-week window, that's essentially an outright abortion ban, because most people have no idea they're pregnant that early on. At its core, this policy eliminates choice for at least 7 million Texans of reproductive age. This threatens abortion access outside of Texas too, because it created a dangerous blueprint that state lawmakers in at least 8 other states have already duplicated. And if the law is upheld, more states will follow. Also happening, in Mississippi, state lawmakers passed a 15-week abortion ban, and the Supreme Court took up the case. Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization pits Mississippi's only abortion clinic against the state, who in oral arguments last December asked the court to let state lawmakers decide abortion access. If the court sides with the state, Roe v. Wade, the landmark case that protects your right to an abortion nationwide, will fall or be gutted. Because the main protection Roe offers, a constitutional right to an abortion before a fetus is viable, will cease to exist. And states will have the go-ahead to write their own policies ending abortion. While we expect the court to issue decisions this summer, everything I just laid out makes one thing clear. No matter what the court decides, the fight over abortion will continue in the states. If the court upholds both the Texas and Mississippi laws, Roe v. Wade is gutted, and state lawmakers can decide if and when you can access an abortion. If this happens, 26 states are certain or likely to ban abortion outright, impacting 36 million people of reproductive age. Those without the resources to travel hundreds of miles across state lines will be forced to accept their pregnancies. If the court upholds one ban but overturns the other, the constitutional protection Roe currently offers is gone. And either way, state lawmakers will have a roadmap to ban abortion in their state. If the court strikes down both laws as unconstitutional, Roe v. Wade will stand, but the attacks on abortion access won't stop. The right wing has spent decades investing in the state-level power they need to continue attacking Roe v. Wade. They know this is a long game, and they won't stop until they're successful. Abortion is under attack by lawmakers in every state capitol building with a right-wing majority, and that's where we have to fight back. In some states, flipping a few seats or less this November would put anti-choice lawmakers in the minority, ending their unchecked power to force unpopular abortion bans on the people they serve. Shifting power this November in states with the closest margins could mean protecting abortion access for millions of people who would otherwise lose it. That's a tangible thing we can do to improve lives right now, and it is doable. The States Project is building power for lawmakers who could protect choice in the states, but we need you in this fight. So if you want to protect abortion access, work with us in the states.